Hello friends, good evening everyone. I rush out here to quickly make a serious warning against coronavirus that Nigeria people, especially Africans, are playing with it. This is a warning from the Most High God. I've come here to warn every Nigeria and any black person, any African person, that no one should play with coronavirus. What is it? We all have started playing with coronavirus for long. Since coronavirus came out, African people, Nigeria people don't put that for their head. They use how they play, they use how they have fun, as if saying Magi matter. The Lord have asked me to warn you people to stay away from coronavirus. He has given the disease to people that deserve it, to tell them or to teach them that evil is bad. For whatever a man soweth, so shall he reap. Then what is Nigeria and what is Africa problem that we are not playing with it? Imagine Nigeria. I've come to warn us that we should not play with coronavirus. The symptoms of coronavirus have been existing for long. Not that if you have headache or if you cough or if you have fever, others will be giving allegation or playing with it as if say, na Magi play. Let me tell you, those days in my village, they used to say, Ovia Arevo, which means when a deadly masquerade is outside, you have to lock yourself indoor. You have to lock yourself indoor. That is what the Europeans are doing right now. All over the whole world. Everybody is indoor. Nigeria in their madness. They are vibrating, they are shouting, they are playing with it, they are using their hand to call the virus to come and visit them. What's your problem? Stay away. This is the warning from God this evening because I'm very busy this evening, but He's hitting me with the message to come and warn you to stay away, worldwide, anywhere we are. The protection is in the hands of the Almighty God. Not be man want protect coronavirus. And not be man bring another man want protect her. So you people should stay away from that disease. It is not a portion for Africa, black Africans. I mean, anywhere we are, we black. We are not a partaker of coronavirus. Stay away from it. Yes, it's fearful, but I have come to tell you that God told me to tell you that it is not your portion. Don't joke with it. Don't play with it. Refuse to receive it into your home, into your city, into your environment, and into your country. Yes. Close your door against it. It's not made for the black people. Stay away. All wrong allegations, all rumors that you people are carrying everywhere about coronavirus. Coronavirus is what no man knows nothing about. You people should stay away from it. I only come to tell you this evening that coronavirus is not made for black people. So wherever you are, as long as your heart is pure, the Lord Almighty is with you. Stop playing with it. You don't become Magi matter for social media. Nigerian people don't use it and they play. Somebody get fever, saying a coronavirus. Why are you using your hand to call the sickness? Somebody comes saying a coronavirus. You people should stop. There are things you have to play with. There are things you have to be serious with. This will not be joking matter. And anybody will use your hand to take call coronavirus. Now coronavirus will kill them. And if he kill you, you know, go feel affect another person by the power of God, because now they behind that thing. I'm gonna let them do it. I'm gonna stay away. It's not for you. Stay away. You have warned you. Stay out of it. You people where they carry and they waka. Stop announcing. Stop talking about coronavirus. You don't even know the meaning. What is it? The symptoms the coronavirus is carrying alone. Wait till they exist before they born you and me. Now today cough starts. Now today fever starts for Nigeria. Is it the first time we are experiencing cough, fever, or whatever symptom it is? Don't ever assume whatever is wrong with you as a coronavirus. That name, forbid it from your mouth from henceforth, or else it will really strike you. Share this video in any language that you are speaking all over Africa country that blacks lives. This message is for us. Now, black people. Coronavirus is not made for us. So you people that knows how to blah blah, all of you that know how to blah blah, the ones that have YouTube platform, social media, they do business, carry coronavirus up and down, policemen wait like the one I saw on the internet, policemen taking people to the hospital saying that they have coronavirus. What's that? Africans, open your eyes. Your madness is too much, for crying out loud. Lock yourself indoor behind coronavirus and stay away from coronavirus. That is a message and that is a warning from God. Be learn and stay away from it, or else you will follow coronavirus to your early grave. Thank you.